Okay guys, I just got to KFC. I'm at a local KFC and I just purchased some of the Beyond Chicken, the new Beyond Chicken that they have put out. As you can see here, about to open this baby up and I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna fucking try this. I can't even tell you how excited I am right now for this. I've been eating so much vegan food for like 4 years now, 5 years. Fries are amazing, but there have not been a lot of vegan options, believe it or not. Carl's Jr. has a burger. Burger King has a Impossible burger. Jack in the Box recently started doing the Impossible style sandwiches. These are good fries. But now, KFC has fucking Beyond Chicken. So, here's a look at it. They're kind of like chicken nuggets, actually. But, this is fine. Sorry, don't worry about that. It's just a little dirt from earlier. But I'm gonna try this and tell you my review. All right, here we go. I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. I've got some KFC sauce here. Barbecue and honey mustard. Let's go with the honey mustard. Let's go with the honey mustard sauce. All right, I'm dipping it. Okay. Okay. Tastes like chicken. I can't even tell. Crunchy, fleshy, just delicious. Okay, yeah, this is a hit. This is a hit. I'll be back. I'll be back. Okay. I've only had one, but it doesn't take that long for me to give my opinion. This is easily a 9.3. Yes, that's my review. This fucking KFC Beyond Chicken is a solid 9.3. Go ahead and get you some. Go to your nearest local KFC shop if you're a vegan, vegetarian, whatever. Even if you're a meat eater, go get you some of this shit. Fire. Yeah.